Good afternoon, everyone. It's Rachel here, and I have finally put together a couple of kits. Steph is still working on his, so that'll probably take a while, but I got a few done myself. So first I'll just show you, I've got Antique Letters number 5, and this is that amazing, I'll share some more after in another kit. I have so many beautiful letters, but this is that wonderful, you can see the edge of the pages there. It's a contanti, it's a and church one. They're accounts, so just lots of really fun things to play with, and all different years. That one's 1858. I don't know what that one was. Don't know if I can see a date there. You guys can probably see it. Oh, 1802, that one. 1878. 1875, I want to say. 1806 or 1810, that one. This one, 1833. This is just a page from a super old document from, I can't remember if it's a very old, like it's a big fat volume. I've shared some of these in my packs. This is 1819. 1818, look at that, I love that. I don't even remember that. I must have it hoarded away somewhere. It's really cool. 1894, I just love the colours. This is Ledger 1852. Love those stamps. Wouldn't you love a stamp like that? Someone get one made and I'll buy it. Oh, 1871, that's the reverse side of it. And I just love this. This was just in a book. I don't know. I love the handwriting. This is 1711. 1789. This one, I can't see any date on it. Oh, it was one of multiple pages. And, oh, that one's 1949. No, 1854. I don't know why they got, oh, number. 1854. There's the date there. Oh, this is just a letter. This is, I don't know when, in the early 1900s, but I love the way they wrote in all directions. 1836, 1880, 1870, that one. And you probably don't need to know all the dates. 1841 there. So they're really just a lot of fun. And I do like to print those. This is just a plain piece of paper, but on the... look at the difference in colour, the newspaper, paper sort of thing. And then I had been preparing, excuse my ticking, I love that. I can guarantee I'll use all of that nice bit over there, and I'll keep all of the grungy bit. Then I had been putting together for a while and forgot about it. I wanted to do a wallpaper kit, because I did get some pieces of wallpaper, but I got them from the same lady that quite a lot of people have bought from, and they've already done digital kits. So, and then these are in the public domain, and lots of people have done kits with just those sorts of pages. So I decided I'm going to call this a wallpaper collage kit. So I put some of my antique documents behind, and then I've put a couple of bits of antique wallpaper, some of my own things, and then some public domain things as well, and I've created collage pages. I've done, did I do 6 collage pages, I think? I did 2 horizontal and 4 vertical. These are the vertical ones. But it was really a just because kit, because I like it. And I think they're really fun things. That's mine. Really fun things to use. Then this is a horizontal one. But I think that they can be, they can be pages, or they can... you can rip them up and use them and make tags and collage and things like that. There's this one. I just love the colours. So I've got enough to make another kit, so I'll do that a bit down the track. All of the script and stuff that you see behind is mine. And then this is also mine, but I know other people have that type of wallpaper. So I put one of my antique letters behind it. And then I liked it on that page, so I've just done a whole lot of layering on the page for a bit of fun. And then I had prepared these, a couple of those pages. They're not in order. A couple of those, or are they in order? here. I've done 2. They're a bit like a wallpaper washi. So you just cut them out and use them as washi, but they'd be really cool pockets as well, and also, you know, side tucks or belly bands. I just thought that, and just lovely, really lovely pages and lovely background as well. So I took some time and did those and fit them onto the page. So I've got 2 of those. And then this is one of the ones, I've put one of my antique letters behind. I think one of the ones that's in that kit, and, you know, played around with the transparency and stuff. And that's on an actual piece of wallpaper that I have. It's only a detail of it. I zoomed right in. I didn't like do the whole wallpaper. It's only a tiny detail of it. And that's the same with that one. I just think they're really pretty. And then this is one, this was a sidewall sort of thing, they call it, a bit like a mural. And I made it blue because I thought it's my favorite color. And then this one here too, I thought that's really lovely. It's a panel, like the 3 panels, and I thought that'd be really cool to do as a trifold or 3 tags or something like that. So that is it's a wallpaper, I'm calling it a wallpaper collage kit, but not all of it is collage, if you know what I mean. But yeah, so, but I'm very excited about it, and I had started preparing it, I think, at the beginning of the year or last year, and then I didn't do it because then I saw so many people have done wallpaper kits, and I didn't want to do the same. There's no point in us all having the same thing. So there we go. I hope you like that. They are in my shop, and so I hope you enjoy them, and I'm going to have some fun crafting with them too. So have a great day, and I will see you again soon. Bye.